Alright, so I just got the Gillette Proglide Power. You can see right here it comes with a razor inside, cartridge, and a battery. So it shows pretty much how to turn it on right here with this switch right here, as well as how the blade head can pivot in different directions. But we're going to check this out and see what it looks like. 5 blades per blade cartridge. Gonna go ahead and open it up. Now, what does it say on the back? So on the back it says, power up, dare to get close, gets virtually every hair. So look forward to that. With the 5-blade technology that they're using. Let's go ahead and open this up. Open up from the top. Make a drop, and inside is the blade. Probably getting a little closer so you can see this a little bit better. So that's the blade right here, and inside also comes a manual with something you can read. What does this say? It says, I believe the smallest details can make the biggest difference. So I can read this a little bit later. But here is the cartridge right here. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox this right here. So it comes with a cartridge that you can actually leave in place. So when you're done, I'm guessing you can put it right here, put it back into place, just lock it in like that. It's pretty cool, keeps it safe, probably good for traveling, but it's rather large for traveling as opposed to just keeping it in place like that. But either way, let's get started with this. So here is the Gillette Proglide Power, and this is what it looks like. A lot of grip on the handle right here so you don't slip when it gets wet. And then here is the pivoting head. Goes from right to left to right to left, and then it also pivots backwards to go with the contours of your face a little bit. So it goes in various motions, as well as, let's see if the springs, the springs go down a little bit so it pivots across your face. Now let's look at the blade. If you can see right here, there's micro fins right here to, according to the commercials that I've seen, pull the hairs up a little bit before the blades strike the hairs. And this right here, I believe, is the gel. So when your face is wet and the gel hits this right here, or when it comes across this green part right here, a gel forms, allowing for the razor to glide across your face a little bit gentler or smoother without any irritations. So let's go ahead and turn on the power. Before that, let me open this up. I want to see what the battery looks like. Oh, just twist it. There is the battery inside, an alkaline battery, and close it back up just like that. Clicks into place after you close it, and turn it on. You can actually hear it. It's humming. And so what this is supposed to do is assist with shaving right here. So you have the vibrating. You can feel it on the razor head right here. You can feel the vibrations a little bit. Pretty nice. Then turn it off by pressing the power button. Alright, so that's the Gillette Proglide Power. Looks pretty nice. Kind of like it. See how it is. Thanks a lot for watching.